Hello, welcome. On today's lesson, I'm going to show you how to use diminished chords. This is for beginners, so it's going to be nice and easy paced. Be sure to slow everything down or rewatch it if you need to take another look, okay? Let's jump right into it. So say we have a D minor chord right here. The way I target how I can use which diminished chord is I go down a half a step, right? I go down, okay, so here's my D minor. Okay, so I can go down a half a step and play a diminished chord. And this is what a diminished chord looks like. I am playing 4, 5, 3, 5. Okay? And that is step one, right? I can just play this diminished chord. But that's not all. So if you're a beginner, you may or may not know this, but diminished chords, you can just move them up 3 frets. So if I go up 1, 2, 3, I can play the same exact shape. And then if I go up another 3 frets, I can play the same shape. And here's the thing, it's like one of these movable guitar shapes that I can basically just move up and down the neck, and you can move up and down the neck. It's really, really great because you get such an awesome bang for your buck. You can just, and then you always resolve it right here to the, your target note. In this case, our target chord is D minor. So again, if we're just playing a D minor, we go down a half step, we play our diminished chord, and we just can move it all the way up and down the neck, and boom. Say we're playing an D7 up here. So what do we do there, right? Like, how do we add diminished chords, And this is how I think of it. I think, okay, I'm in this D, minor shape. Okay, so here's like my root, my D minor root. I go down a half step, and then I can play my diminished chord. Okay, so let's review what that means. So I have my D minor chord, right? I have my pinky on the 12th fret. If I go down a half step, I can play this shape, and that's my D minor, that's my diminished shape, and that is 11, 12, 11, 12. And again, it's movable. Every 3 frets, I can go up 3 frets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I can also go down 3 frets. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? So this shape, now I can connect it to what we were just talking about before. And all of a sudden, we have our diminished shape. Okay. So now let's put it into a more broad context, or something we would use as a different example. So say we have D minor to A minor, G minor to an A minor. Some like R&B riff, A minor, G minor, A minor. The thing is, I can anytime prior to going back to this D minor, I can throw in this diminished chord, right? So let's see how that sounds. Okay, right? And then we could say we're up here, D minor, A minor, G minor, A minor. This is the same shapes, same diminished chord as we were talking about prior. It's just one of those movable shapes, right? Now that is super useful for adding tension and adding some harmonic richness to your chords.